About 5 in the morning, I get up and step out into 5 inches of water.
We actually had about 4 feet of water kind of going down between this corridor here. The floor started to buckle and things started to happen, so it was a hidden damage to the building.
I pick up the phone and call Paul Davis, and on the first ring, they answered. They said, we'll have teams there within the hour.
People are literally crying when we arrived, and within minutes, we assure them that their home is going to be back the way it was. We get their insurance people involved. We form a team.
Paul Davis came in, stripped the floor out, did the samples, checked for mold. So, I mean, we didn't miss a day of school.
We do everything we can to make their lives as normal as possible while we're putting the disaster back together.
Paul Davis and the insurance company dealt with each other directly. They moved us back in. Yeah, they didn't have to come back for anything.
The most rewarding thing when you can go into somebody's home and leave knowing that you've made their day much better than it was. The people that work here really love what they do. They love helping people and love serving the community of Santa Fe.